Alright guys, welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, and today we've got another unboxing, and this is from a company I've been wanting to try for a while for a particular reason. I've seen a couple of guys do reviews. Matt from No BS Beard Reviews reviewed this company, and then I saw my friend Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman, reviewed this company a little while back. So I contacted them because they have supposedly a really firm balm, and I like firm balm. So this is from Bearded Oregon. So they sent out a couple of scents for me to try, and one of them being their new fall scent as well. So we'll be featuring that on a live stream coming up next week on the Bearded Sharks YouTube channel. That'll be on Tuesday, October the 1st at 7 p.m. Eastern. So that scent is called Corvallis. And this company obviously is out of Oregon, but when I looked at their website, they've got some different kind of scents going on. So I'm interested in doing a little more research and sharing that with you guys on the follow-up video, which I'll be doing. Nice sticker there. Authentic beard products, nice business card. And then they sent me out a scent called Bend, and I picked it out, but I don't remember what it was. But I remember there's something in there that was like, and in fact, almost all their scents had some different kind of things going on. So interested in trying that out. And I might should have looked it up, because sometimes it's hard to tell right out of the bottle what's going on. Really earthy, not necessarily woodsy. That one's interesting. I think I'm gonna like that. That's called Bend. I'll give you all the details on the follow-up video, which I will be doing. But I really wanted to get into this balm here. I was trying to see if I could hear it rattle. I always like to rattle on it. I don't hear it rattle, but it's the same scent profile, Bend. And just not a whole lot of scent there. It's really kind of a flat kind of scent to it. That the beeswax in there, I'm sure, will flatten out the scent. It's got a barcode on the back. Beeswax, shea butter, jojoba oil, local pale ale, and essential oils. Oh yeah, I think that's what this one had in it. Scent profile. And let's see if I can dig in. I can get into it. It doesn't. It seems like it's going to be kind of creamy. Sometimes with the really firm beard balms, it's hard to work with. And it kind of depends on the weather too, and the conditions in the house and that kind of thing. But I'll be trying that out to see how much hold it's got and how easy it is to work with. So I'll be looking for a follow-up review for that one. And then their fall scent, which is called Corvallis, infused with local coffee grounds and a secret blend of spices. That sounds interesting. You start putting coffee in beard oil, and I love coffee. I love smelling coffee. I just haven't found where I like it in beard oil for some reason. We'll see about this one. If you put it with fall scents, then it might be really good. We'll see. That is interesting. So you get the fall scents and then just a little bit of coffee with it. Let me warm that one up. Ooh, really dark. I guess because of the coffee in that. Yeah. I got some other products going on in my beard and my hands, so I'll do the best I can on that. Yeah, fall and then the coffee. So that might be the most true to actually smelling a pumpkin spice latte kind of thing. But more, not quite as much on the latte part, and more on the coffee. I'm going to be interested in that one. That one might actually be one I could mix with some of these other fall scents. I've got a whole table full of them over here. But I'll be checking that out. I got the balm. Got the balm in that scent too. Notice how it's darker than the other one because of the coffee infusion on it. So really cool. Be interested in checking out all of this stuff and doing a follow-up video for you guys and talking about that firm hold balm and a couple of really interesting scents. All right, so thank you so much to Bearded Oregon for sending that out to me, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.